So how do you record your screen for free? So once you're in the digital space, at some point you'll be required to record and share a snippet of your screen. Sometimes it could be teaching somebody, or sometimes it could be explaining a concept, or just sharing proof that you've done a certain task. Now there are four free tools that I use to record my screen. Number one, I have Loom. Now if I go to loom.com, if you go to loom.com for instance, if you've never created that, you just find it to be a very interesting tool that can help you record videos. Now, these are some of the things that you need to know about Loom. First, you have to create an account with Loom and using your email address or Google account. And then number two, you have maximum of 25 videos that you can create with a free account. Now, I've created a number of videos here. Sometimes I have like multiple texts, and that just takes more of the allocation that I've been given for videos. Number three, you cannot download videos on this site unless you have upgraded your account. Now, if you want to share videos here, you can use links. And for instance, if I go to this here, the video that I've created, I can just click on copy link, but I can also like add share space with other people so they can like view it. If I copy this link here, I share to somebody else, they'll be able to view this video. The other thing that you need to know about Loom is that you can always edit the video. So if I click one of my creations here that I've recorded, I can go to the edit page, and then I can just cut out some sections that I need either in the middle or in the end. So let's have a look at the things that we can do when we are editing videos using Loom. So let's go to this here, and we have the edit here. We have cut. Unfortunately, they have now locked the cut section until you have upgraded. Initially, you could be able to cut and trim it, and it looks like that is something that has changed. But right now, there are things you can remove. You can remove filler words, and you can also remove silences from your video. So for the cut part, you'll have to go to other tools like CapCut and edit that video. Tool number two that I use is Screenrec. Now this requires you to download the application on your Windows device. So if you have something like Screenrec, you can install it. I do not have it installed, but you can download the file here, install it, and then you can use the free screen recording. But we also have the payment part, which is optional, but at times it works just fine with the free version. The next tool that we use here is OBS Studio. Now this is a much more complex tool because it allows you to record your screen, it allows you to record yourself when you are recording the video. It doesn't have like a time limit, unlike Loom, which only allows you a maximum of 5 minutes. So this is one of those tools. There is a video on how to use OBS that I'm going to link above, so you can go to it, check it out, and learn how to use it. If you find these tools useful, share with someone. And if you've come across a tool somewhere that is used to record your screen that is open source and does a better job than the ones that I've mentioned, you can share it in the comment section and help someone else get to use these tools and share their creations, share their lessons, or just make work easier for them in their workspace. If you like this video, give it a thumb up, subscribe to the channel for more tech tutorials.